Hey guys, it's Roxy. Happy Sunday. Welcome to day number 33 of our video blog challenge. And my brain was up, rambling around, running around on my pillow way before my body decided it wanted to get out of bed this morning. So when I got out of bed, I actually grabbed a pen and a paper and I wrote some notes because I was really thinking about influences, like what influences that we have upon our lives. That has obviously gotten to us to where we are right now. So we talk about our coaches and our teachers and our parents, our grandparents, our aunts and uncles, even TV and books and computers, internet. We're inundated all the time. That, of course, works with our perception and our beliefs and our values and makes us the man and the woman, the creature that we are. And we're all unique individuals. So when you're moving forward in our conversations and communications with friends and family, understand that we're all a little unique and all a little bit special. And ask yourself, if I keep on doing what I'm doing, is it going to get me to where I want to be? And I know that everything needs to be personalized. When I was training horses, not one horse responded exactly the same way as the previous one that I was working. It all had to be a little bit tweaked, a little bit more special, a little bit different, because we're all individual beings. So don't be shy and don't be scared about taking that little bit of extra time to have those communications and to take those moments of time to personalize it, because we know that we're constantly having to improve our mind and our thoughts, because if we're not where we are, where we want to be exactly, whether it's in our business, in our health situation, our financial situation, is what we're doing right now, repeatedly, day in and day out for the next how many years, going to do and get us to where we want to be, in a happy, healthy retirement situation. What is it going to be for you? So ask yourself those questions and realize, maybe you're like me and we need a little bit more teachings. We need a little bit more coachings. And we need to continually grow ourselves and understand that the business world is changing and how we do business on the internet has changed. But our communications and being able to talk with a person and express ourselves, and also being able to listen and be attentive to what people need in our lives to be able to have those solutions for them. Anyway, those are my thoughts for today. It's Sunday. I'm headed back to the kitchen, have a great big family dinner planned for tonight. So you guys have a wonderful Sunday, and I will see you on the sunny side of life tomorrow. As always, please like, comment, and share if you found any value. And if you want to know what I am aggressively, courageously moving forward with, internet marketing, that's flexible but still people orientated, we should talk. I would be happy to share with you. Bye.